Your prerequisite is TimeMaker Matrix Lesson 10, Overall Load Leveling. In this tutorial, we will be going over a variety of easy-to-use functions. The first icon we will take a look at is the print button. Clicking here will print a list of the selected items in the matrix. If you filtered, it will print that list. If there is no filter, it will print everything. So we click it, and as you can see, the list displays the production items icon, status, owner, performer, subject, start, and target dates. Every detail you need to know. It displays the items according to target date. In other words, the first item on the list is the one most in the future, while the last item on the list is the one with the target date most recent. Now we close it. And clicking here on this arrow opens a drop-down menu giving us the option to print like normal, or to save the print report as an HTML. Next is the Find Filter window. This enables finding or filtering items in the entire matrix by typing text. Clicking the yellow funnel toggles between Find and Filter. When the funnel is unselected, the Search or Find is on. When it is selected, the filter is on. So the funnel is now unselected, and we type in the word success, and we hit enter. Right away, the matrix takes us to an item that has the word success in it. If we go to one of the arrows and we click it, it will take us through the two items, or if there were more, it would take us through the various items that have the word success in there. Now, if we go and click this icon again, it will turn it into a filter. As you can see, it's cleared away all the other items and just left us with the two items that have the word success. Now let's say there were a ton of items, we could again go here to the arrows and it would take us through which ones we wanted. So the difference between the two is search keeps everything there and you can scroll one by one for the matches, while filter clears away everything not containing the text you typed. Now we'll unselect this and it will take us back to the matrix. Now if we go to this little pull down icon, it says include body. This is selected by default, but if you deselect it, when you put in something to search, it will only search or filter based on the item's subjects, not on the body. So if we click include body, it will filter both through the item's subjects and body. Next is the today button. Clicking this button brings today's column to view no matter where you're at in the matrix. Now, our matrix is relatively empty, but with an organization that has hundreds of items flowing through it, if you were someplace where today wasn't visible and you clicked it, it will bring you right back to today. Now, even if we go here and highlight this plan, as you can see, it also highlights all the items in chocolate which are a part of the plan. And now if we go to today, it brings us right back to today. Okay? The last icon we will be going over is the Evaluation pull-down menu. This function presents an evaluation report for items you select or everything in the matrix. It also allows for presentation of key indicators on the production items themselves. This can be done in a few different formats. The first option is Show Overall Evaluation Report. This option presents a separate page with an evaluation report on the selected items in the matrix. It gives general numbers. Here we see clarify, and we can see the count, in other words, how many items have a clarification. And then it says the average by a percentage. For example, here 0.03% of the items have a clarification. Make sense? Now this report can be saved, forwarded as an email, or printed. Now we'll close this, and the next option is Show Evaluation for all items. This option presents the evaluation of each production item on the matrix itself within the items boxes. The evaluation includes key data about the item, and as you can see, we have total action, number of days overdue, and if we make the view a bit bigger by clicking Control 5, and then making the height bigger by clicking Control 9, we can see number of days overdue, date change requested, number of days moved, and so on. The next option in the Evaluation pull-down menu is Show Evaluation in Entire Cell. This is pretty much the same thing, but it does it in the entire cell, taking away even the subject. So we click it, and as you can see, it's now in the entire cell. Okay? Now the last option in the evaluation pull-down menu is show evaluation for selected cell. So we click it, and then we also deselect show evaluation for all items. And then, as you can see, it shows evaluation for the selected cell. So right now this cell is selected, and it's showing us the evaluation. But if I select this one, it'll show us that evaluation, or this one will show us that evaluation, and so on. Pretty cool, huh? That's it. Those are the main icons we will be going over in this tutorial, and there are a few others which we'll go over in the next tutorials. And that concludes TimeMaker Matrix Lesson 11. Your next recommended lesson is Massive Nuke, Lesson 12. See you there.